Namaskar. In this video, I am going to tell you how to make a Shri Yantra, mainly with these two things and more of this ruler. So first, I have already, first of all, take a paper, fold it, find a middle point. If you want to find it, find it. If you don't want to find it, don't find it. But I find it very easy. Therefore, I always take a middle point of the paper. After that, I have taken I have made this circle. Radius is 6 centimeter, and after this is the diameter, which is about 12 centimeters. Here I have now started doing the markings. This is 1.5, 1.5 marking, again 1.5, and then this is 1.25, and then I will start marking from the bottom. This is 1.5, this is 1.5, and this is 1.5. This is 1.5, 1.5, and this is 1.5. Now this area which is left is again 1.5, but I will mark it 0.75. That is half of this. I will number these points. This is my 1 point, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5, 6, and the 7 points. Now from the third point, I will draw a line. I have taken a third point and I have made a line touching both the sides of the circle. I will not touch anything of fourth point. From fifth point, I will again draw a line touching the both sides of the circle. From here, I will make a downward triangle, touch this point from like the third point and the circumference of the, I will make a line till the circumference of the circle. This is my downward triangle. This is called Shakti triangle. From here, I will make a triangle here. This is my upper triangle called a Shiva triangle. Then this is again, I have made another. So this is Shiv and Shakti. Shri Yantra is actually made up of 9 triangles, 5 downwards and 4 upwards. So now my second triangle, I will make a small line passing through the point 6. Passing through the point 7. From here, now first I will make this triangle. This is, I will make a small line here, and I will make one line here and one line on this point here. Now from here, I have to join this point, that is 6 and 1. It should cross this point. Similarly, 6 and 1 and crossing this point. This is, I will join 6 and 1, and it is an upper triangle. Then from here, I will draw a line which will cross this point. Here, draw a line which will cross this point. This is my again upper triangle. Now I have made the 3 upper triangles. I am going to now make the downward triangles. I will take the, first I will make a line here, and then at a point 2, and from there I will start drawing the downward triangle. From there, this point, crossing this and this point should meet 1. That is 2nd and 7. And here again, I will cross this point and meet this point. From here, it will come to the point 75. It will cross these 2 points. Again, this and this. Okay, now we have to focus on these 2 triangles. I will take the midpoint of this line, draw it like this line here. From this line, I have joined 7 and 2. 7 and 2 in downward triangle, and 1 and 4 in downward triangle. Now I will make a line here, and I will from there I will make a line up till this point. Again, take the midpoint of these 2 points, or the line where is it crossing. These 2 lines are crossing. Take this, draw a line here. From here, join this point. And from here, join this point. Now, most of this is done. Only one triangle is left. This small triangle, these 2 small triangles, these 2. I will just shade this triangle for your convenience. These 2 triangles, take the line which is from coming here. These 2 points. And draw the line from here up till the point 5th. So this is how our inner part, the most difficult part of Shri Yantra is done. Now I am going to rub all the lines, the points. I will just redo it because it is not coming. Yeah, this is better. And this way and this way. So this is better. Now I can number it. The innermost circle has 8 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. I will do the rubbing of rest of this. This is how we can make the Shri Yantra without using compass but with the measurement. So I can draw all the lines again. Now I am making the outer circle in which I am going to draw the petals. This is one circle and this is the other circle. Again, take this 6 centimeters, which was the diameter initially. And now from here I have drawn 2 circles to make the petals. The inner circle has 8 petals and the outer circle has 16 petals. I can draw it with a free hand also, but if you want to make a very accurate petal, then you need a compass and to divide it. So I am going to tell you how to do that. You can, this is a 6 centimeters radius which we have taken initially. From here, I will make one mark here. Okay, let me, redo it. So from here, I made one mark here. From here, I made another mark here. I then made a line mark here, and then again from here I made one mark here, again a line. Similarly, you can make it on all the 4 sides. Then taking this as a point, you can make a mark here, and again this point mark here, and the crossing point will be somewhere here. Here you can make a mark here. Here you can make a mark here, and somewhere here. So I will tell you how to make the petal on this side, and similarly you can replicate it on the other side. The inner petal is the bigger petal, 8 petals. The tip tip should be at the top of the circle. So I will start from here. This is a tip, and I will go here, and the small petal should be in between these. You can, you know, generally take this. It is like this and this. Again, so I think I have to make this to show that how I can, you know, okay. So I will again start from here, and it will go till here, and this will come here. This will go here, and so it will go here and up till here. So this is why one petal from here and somewhere here. So this you can make the 16 petals, and these are the 4 petals. Now you can see I have made all the petals. There are 16 petals outside, 8 petals inside, and there are 4 upward triangles and 5 downward triangles. So now let's color. So I'm going to color it, and then I will not be doing the entire coloring here. I'll just show you that you can color it and make it so colorful. And in the next video, I will be talking about what Sri Yantra is, the basic things about the Sri Yantra. Well, there is so much of literature on Sri Yantra. Even if I make a video for 1 hour, it will be less. But I will be giving the basic information because people don't know what the Sri Yantra is. It is actually a blueprint of the cosmos. It is Shiv and Shakti. The triangles which are pointing upwards, they represent Shiv, the male element, and the triangles which are pointing to downwards, they represent the female element. Okay. And this is a blueprint of the cosmos. And there are 9 avarans. If you follow the measurements, it is very easy to make. You can also make it with the help of the compass. And the main thing is, what you have to remember is, this is 1.5, this is again 1.5, this is 1.25, and then here it is 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, and this small area is 1.75. I am writing it again for your benefit. And there are 14 triangles outside, then 10, then 10, then 8 triangles. So this is how I have done it. Now I will just do the petals. So I'm now going to show you many Shri Yantras which I have made. You can color it like this. You can color it like this. This is again you can color it, and this. And this is these are the three triangles. This is very easy to make. You just have to make the squares, and then these are the gates, and this represents Bhupura. This is east side. The triangle which face upwards is the east side. I'm sorry. Yes, this is the east side and this is the west side. So this is the final Shri Yantra which I have made, and I have also done the colors so that it is easy for you to differentiate between chakras in this Shri Yantra. And the outermost has 14, then 10, then 10, and these are 8 petals. And this is a complete Shri Yantra. Thank you very much for watching this video. In the next video, I will be talking about Shri Yantra. I know it will take hours to discuss the Shri Yantra, but I will be telling a very basic things about the Shri Yantra and how we call it a blueprint and many secrets of Shri Yantra. Thank you very much for watching this video.